Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm here to do the winners drawing for the month of July. Each month when I release a kit, I have a set of challenges, and if you post in the Nonstop Papercrafts Facebook group, either participating in the challenges or creating something else, either with the freebies or with the main kit, Free Spirit, then you get entries into a prize drawing. So I'm going to do that giveaway. I did just want to share before I do that the journal that I have created. Now I was hoping, I know you saw bits of my signatures when I was doing the challenges because the challenge bits are in here. However, I was hoping to do a video where I could put the cover together. However, I just haven't had the opportunity to do that. I've had to just do bits here and there. Because those of you that have been here a little while know that I have recently become a foster parent. We had a young lad move in with us a couple of weeks ago, so the last 2 weeks have been a bit full on, obviously just trying to get him to settle in and obviously feel welcome and what have you. So I haven't had a lot of time in the craft room, so I've just done bits and bobs here and there, which is why I haven't been able to film a video, but I did want to show you what I've done. So I'm just going to move that out the way just so I can share. So this is a soft cover. It's like really kind of floppy, but that's kind of what I wanted. It is a bit of a traveller notebook style, so it has got an elastic closure. And it has got elastics holding the signatures in as well. I absolutely love this fabric. I've had this in my stash for ages. It's something I've been hoarding. It's actually a curtain sample. So when they do like displays in shops, you just get kind of a thin slither of the curtain. You don't get a full curtain. So that's what it was. It's just one of the sample ones that would have been on display. But like I said, I just absolutely love the patterns on it. And I thought actually the colours are perfect for this particular kit because it's a kind of boho kind of theme. I've got these flowers and lace down the side as well. I did put on some corner protectors as well, and I'll show you on the inside. So I did choose to use a white elastic, and then on the inside this is actually the curtain liner, so I didn't change that. I just literally sewed everything down. And like I said, it kind of flops open. Now it is a kind of tri-fold a little bit. I wasn't sure which way round I wanted it, but it can go either way, I guess. But it just kind of protects the pages inside, having it fold over like that. And I've got 3 signatures in here, and as I said, they are held in by elastic, which means I can swap these papers out for something new or add more. Whatever it is that I wish to do. Now I haven't done much to the actual signatures themselves from what you've already seen in the challenges, but I'll walk you through anyway, because obviously it's another opportunity to see the Free Spirit kit if you haven't already seen it. I have of course used other papers as well, so this is actually Amazon packaging that I've chopped up to use as pages. I've also used some music sheets, but yeah, all of these pages are ones that are either in the kit or freebies. I've used envelopes as well. That's the other side of the Amazon packaging, and then obviously that's the middle. So as you can see, it's all elasticated in, just so it's easy to remove things as and when needed. And this was the flip out, and I also had a belly band, didn't I, that I created as one of the challenges. I've got a little corner tuck bit there. And then that was obviously just for decoration, but I really love the elephants in this kit. I do love elephants, they're one of my favourite animals. And then obviously this is just, like I say, the other side of that part. Now I have got torn bits in here, and I don't mind those because I can use washi tapes and things over them just to kind of cover that up really and protect that. Another page with a beautiful elephant on. Again, more Amazon packaging. Again, there's a little bit of a tear in there, but again, washi tape can fix that as and when I use it. I will be using this book as my kind of notes book throughout August. So any notes that I'm making either about Nonstop Papercrafts and channel ideas, sometimes I just like to have a little book that I can carry around with me and just put reminders in, because I am forgetful. I need to write everything down, otherwise I forget. But if it's not a plan or an event or an appointment, if it's just a general note, or I just need to remember at some point this week I need to go and buy this, or I need to order that or something, I just like to have a notebook where I kind of put those ideas down. So That's what I'm going to use this for. This was one of the other challenges as well, doing some kind of altered tag. Oh, I've got bits in these envelopes still from last time, which I don't actually need. Again, these are just the different pages. That's the back end of the envelope. I'm not sure how I'm going to use that yet, or if I'm just going to stick some bits on there. But yes, I have kept this quite plain, so I haven't decorated anything because, like I said, it's going to be more of a notesy type book rather than a memory keeping where I'm going to want to perhaps embellish and stick lots in. This is going to be more of a notebook, so I like that it's plain. I mean, I have, of course, obviously where I've got these, I could either leave them as they are just as a bit of extra decoration, or I can, you know, stick something or put a post-it over the top of them, something like that. This was one of the challenges as well. It was a windowed pocket or a windowed envelope. So that's what I've done here. And then, yeah, this is the final signature. And yeah, I really love how this came together. This particular page, I made it to be a B6 size because I think this is a really good size. I'm actually tending to use more of an A6. So I think in future when I make these kind of notebooks, that's what I'm going to do, an A6. But yeah, I really love this. Now, I haven't put anything on the cover as in pockets or anything like that because, as I said, this is going to be more of a carry around notebook type thing, so I didn't really need pockets, so I haven't bothered putting those kind of things in, but that is an option if you were going to make one of these yourself. So that's it. That's the little journal that I made using the kit, and as I said, using up this gorgeous fabric that I have been hoarding for a little while. And the papers that you've just seen in there are from my Free Spirit kit. Unfortunately, I have a 20% discount for the month that it's released. Obviously, it's now August, so that discount has gone, but it is still available either in my Etsy shop or it's in my KoFi shop. You can also pick up the freebies if you're interested. It doesn't matter that the month of July is over. The freebies are still available. You can get those either in the Nonstop Papercrafts Facebook group. You just have to go to the album section, or on some devices it's under media and then albums. I have all my freebies there, and the same in my KoFi shop. You can go to my KoFi shop and all the freebies are there, this one and then obviously previous months as well. Right, on with the prize drawing then. So I had 20 entries. I did have a lot of posts from my design team, so if you are looking for any inspiration, go and check those ladies out. Down below I do have a link tree for all of my design teams, so you can go and see what they've been up to and where they've posted. Some of them post on Instagram, some of them use YouTube, some of them use Facebook. So if you go and check those ladies out, you'll be able to get some ideas on how you might want to use this kit yourself. If you choose to buy it, or even using the freebies. So apart from my design team posting, now I don't include my design team into the prize drawing because obviously being on my design team, they get my kits for free anyway. So I had 20 other entries on top of theirs. And I'm going to pick 3 winners. So I'm just going to ask Google for a random number, and then that person will win, and I'll do that 3 times. Obviously, if the same person comes up twice, I'll just recall it so that I get 3 individual winners. Okay, so hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 20.
9.
Okay, she's gone with 9, so that is Patty. So Patty, you are my first winner. Hey Google, pick another number between 1 and 20.
20.
Oh, we've gone with 20, so that's a Windy Star. That's my second winner and final winner. Hey Google, pick another number between 1 and 20.
Here's a random number, 12.
Okay, we've now got the number 12, Aria. So those are my 3 winners. Well done, ladies. It's been lovely seeing everybody's work in the Facebook group. If my 3 winners can contact me and let me know which kit that they would like from my Etsy shop, and then I can get that sent over to them. You can either message me via Facebook, or you can message me via Etsy. So if you go into Etsy, look at my shop, and then you'll be able to message me there. So I don't mind which way round you do it, but just let me know which kit you would like for free and I will get that sent over to you. Now, I will say that August is going to be quite quiet for me. It is the summer holidays here in the UK, which means my daughter's off school. And as I said, I've also got a new addition. So we are obviously settling him in as well. So August will be pretty quiet. I might get 2 or 3 videos out during the month. But there probably won't be much crafting going on. But then I'll be back for September with a new kit, new challenges, and another giveaway. Thank you so much, everybody that has been taking part and supporting me by either buying the kit or just posting and sharing their ideas that they've made with the freebies or the kit. That's always really appreciated. Even if you don't buy the kit and you're just using the freebies, just the fact that you can share what it is that you've been doing helps inspire others. So I really, really love that and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful summer if it is summer where you are, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.